Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making a chocolate frying pan cake. These are the ingredients we are using for today's frying pan cake. So we have some chocolate spread, which is half a cup. We have half cup of evaporated milk, half cup of butter, a quarter tablespoon of salt, and also baking soda. We have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder to be exact. We have 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. We have 1.5 cup of soft flour. We also be using an egg. We'll be using our non-stick pan here with the lid. We use some parchment paper, the cooling rack, our whisk, and then the silicone spatula.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
So I'll bring the saucepan here, take off the lid, then we'll add in the butter. Now we'll place it onto our stove, let it heat up slightly, and then we'll continue. Now I'll take it off the source of heat. We'll place it down into our heated mixture or our heated butter. We are going to start adding in our cocoa powder, combine so it mixes nicely. Now we'll add in the sugar and then our egg. Now we'll combine until a uniform mixture is obtained. We'll add in the milk, combine. Now we'll add the flour, baking soda, and the salt, and then we'll combine. It's almost done. Just have to add a bit of effort. And just like that, we've made our frying pan chocolate cake batter. I'll use the spatula to push everything downwards, level it up nicely, and then we bake. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to cover with the lid and then we'll place it on our source of heat. Now we'll let this cook on the stove top on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. It's been 6 minutes and this is how it looks like. And it's giving off a very nice smell. So let's give it the next few minutes and let's take it off the source of heat. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. Because of the condensation droplets, the top will look a bit funny, but it doesn't mean it's not cooked. So we are going to use the toothpick to test. And yes, we are going to make our chocolate milk in our bowl here. So we'll add the milk. We added half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. We'll give it a mix. And this is how it looks like. So we'll set it aside and then work on the cake. 3 minutes. This is our cake. So I'm going to open the lid. And we are going to remove it and place it onto our parchment paper. I'll push it. Then you remove it onto the parchment paper. This is how it looks like. We'll leave it to cool for about 5 minutes. I'm going to slide it from the parchment paper into our pan. This is it. Now we are going to spread our chocolate milk on it. So I'll fetch it and then drizzle. So this is it. We are going to add onto it our chocolate spread. Then I'll use the spatula to spread it out nicely on it. This is how it looks like. We are going to cut into it. We use our cake server and then we cut. Serve. And this is how it looks like. So we are going to serve it onto our plates. And this is how it looks like. We'll enjoy with our fork.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.